Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include a split folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, a trailer hitch, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.